What if the iPhone 15 Pro Max could change how we use smartphones forever? Meet the iPhone 15 Pro Max, rumored to be Apple's most powerful smartphone yet, packed with groundbreaking features that could redefine mobile technology. In today's saturated smartphone market, Apple faces intense competition from brands like Samsung and Google. Expectations for the iPhone 15 Pro Max are sky high, as consumers seek innovative upgrades that justify their investment. Can Apple maintain its edge with this latest release? Let's dive into what makes the iPhone 15 Pro Max a potential game changer. Key advancements include a next-gen camera system that enhances low-light photography, powerful A17 chip for lightning-fast performance, and significant improvements in battery life that keep you connected longer. The sleek design also features new materials that enhance durability and aesthetics. But what truly sets the iPhone 15 Pro Max apart is its revolutionary AI capabilities, allowing for features like real-time photo editing and enhanced Siri functionality. This integration of AI could redefine how we interact with our devices, making it not just a smartphone, but a smart companion. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out with its powerful features and innovative design, potentially reshaping the smartphone landscape and user experience. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out our video on the latest iPhone accessories.